I like the meat.
At the same time, napaka-tasty niya. Napakalasa.
Fountain of youth.
Yes.
Pampabata.
Pampabata.
Pampabata. Ako rin, I wanna try it. Nababakabalan, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa SM City Clark to check out itong bagong-bagong kainan.
So this is Bistro Ibarra. Guys, if you're looking for authentic mga Filipino dishes that are really level up,
Yes.
guys, this is the place to be. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video.
Yes,
Bro,
so-
ang daming, napaka-generous naman ni Bistro
Actually,
Ibarra.
dito pa lang parang natatakam na ako and
Exactly.
excited na akong kumain.
Ako bro, although I have something on my plate, ito parang kanina pa niya ako kinikindat.
Actually, yan din yung kanina ko pang gustong tikman, yung kanilang crispy pata. Yan.
Okay, so actually brother, just a little bit of trivia. So nakausap natin earlier yung mga staff natin dito. Si Ibarra's Party and Venue Catering, which is the mother company ni Bistro Ibarra. More than 20 years na siya.
Imagine yung 20 years niya, kung gano'n na siya ka-stable and paano niya na perfect yung mga pagkain dito.
What an experience, bro.
Yes.
I think to know more about history ni Bistro Ibarra, let's talk to Sir Martin to know more about the history.
Yes.
Bistro Ibarra po started in Hacienda, and our mother company is Ibarra's Events, and we wanted to branch out towards the restaurant sector po. And we wanted to introduce our bestseller na food po, which is our hickory barbecue, pork barbecue, as well as mga Filipino favorites like bulalo, sinigang.
I'm Chef Pao Simsako, chef here in Bistro Ibarra. Bistro Ibarra is typically a fusion of Filipino and Spanish cuisine. We have the paella. One is the Paella Martin, which has meat, and the other is the Paella Valenciana. It has meat at the bottom and topped with fresh seafoods. We call it the crispy Pata Bawang because it's fried in garlic oil. Iba ang lasa compared sa mga normal na crispy pata. This one is our tuna inasal. So with a twist, we serve it with charcoal, smoke, and with banana leaves. So to have the flavor intenser. And alongside this achara and inasal sauce.
Alright.
Beef Kare-Kare is hindi po siya sweet. So a balance of flavor of peanut, perfect with pag-oong. So, alam naman po natin na hindi lang hupang matanda, may ngipin man o wala, mahilig po ang tao sa bukoy. That's one of the best seller in appetizer. We have first the seafood salpicao, so may twist po tayo dyan. This one is our bulalo steak. We simmered it in red wine reductions. So this is gourmet. We have the pork barbecue on stick.
And then
Lastly, we have of course, the bulalo soup. Maraming choices with our menus from seafood to poultries to beef na I'm sure hindi po pagsisisihan ng ating mga guests.
Look at that. Sabi nga nila yun yung fountain of youth.
Yes.
Pampabata.
Pampabata.
Pampabata. Ako rin, I wanna try it. This one. Okay. Let's try it.
Wow.
Masarap masawsawan.
Yes, actually. Same time, yung pinaka-meat ng crispy pata nila, napaka-juicy.
Juicy. It's actually super tender din. Yeah, I like the meat.
At the same time, napaka-tasty niya. Napakalasa. Maliban dun sa sausawan, meron din siyang kasamang atsara, pampatanggal umay.
So, actually, again, coming from chef, mga inspiration ng mga dishes dito are yung mga Mexican, Spanish,
Yes.
Old Tagalog Filipino dishes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Our opening hours are usually from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. And you can find this through Facebook with our corporate page, Bistro Ibarra, as well as having their own Facebook page. So just type out Bistro Ibarra, then the branch, for example, Bistro Ibarra SM Clark.
Mawawala dyan yung kanilang mga refreshers dito, yung kanilang cucumber blush. Ito yung one of their best seller dito. So, syempre, inom muna tayo. Napaka-refreshing nga.
Come try out our food, and we're excited to see you. So please try our food. Thank you.